Hello! Hello! Welcome to our groundbreaking video series, Transformative Wellness, where we delve into the world of nutrition to guide and inspire those on a journey towards a healthier lifestyle. In this episode, we focus on a specialized diet plan tailored for individuals looking to embark on a weight loss journey.
Let's start by unraveling the fundamentals of a balanced diet. We'll explore the importance of incorporating nutrient-dense foods, portion control, and the role of essential macronutrients in fostering sustainable weight loss. Discover the science behind crafting a diet plan specifically designed for individuals aiming to shed excess weight. We'll explore meal prepping strategies, smart food choices, and how to strike the right balance between calorie intake and expenditure. Dive into practical tips and tricks to make healthy eating an enjoyable and sustainable part of your daily routine. From flavorful recipe ideas to mindful eating practices, we've got you covered on your journey to a healthier. Weight loss journeys often come with challenges. Learn effective strategies to overcome common obstacles, stay motivated, and cultivate a positive mindset throughout your transformation. As we wrap up, remember that embarking on a diet plan is not just about losing weight. It's about embracing a healthier, more fulfilling lifestyle. Our comprehensive guide aims to empower you with the knowledge and tools needed to make informed choices on your path to wellness.
Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. And join us in the next episode as we continue to explore the transformative power of holistic well-being. Cheers to a healthier, happier you.